today I'd like to show you step by step how to set up your account in less than 2 minutes. First, log in with your email and complete the onboarding steps to create your workspace and start your 14 days free trial. A workspace is a collaborative space where you can manage your leads, prospects, and clients with your teammates. Go to your settings and first invite your teammates to start collaborating. Connect your email to automatically import contacts from Gmail or Outlook and sync your interactions. By default, they are private to you, but you can share them with your team, either sharing subject only or giving full access. Get started with our pre-made group templates or create your own groups to organize your contacts. A group is a database of contacts that you can customize the way you want to activate them in the right workflow. For instance, clients versus partners. Once your source synchronization is done, all your contacts will appear in the search on the top left. From there, you can bulk select the relevant contacts and add them to your groups. Or go directly into the group and import a file of contacts if you're migrating from another tool. Easily map the fields and create new ones during the import. Once done, you can transform the imported columns into the right format, such as tags, in one click. Create views to segment your contacts by industry, geography, or qualification. And create pipeline views to activate your contacts in your sales funnel. Finally, download our Chrome extension and easily add contacts from LinkedIn. Now, it's your turn. Get started with our 14-day free trial and discover much more features such as one-click enrichment, email sequences, and so on. Folk is like the sales assistant your team never had. We are simple, integrated, and proactive so that you can focus on building real relationships. To get started, first create your workspace. A workspace is a collaborative space where you can manage your leads, prospects, and clients with your teammates. In your workspace, start by creating groups, like current customers, leads, or partners. You can share your groups and customize permissions to always stay in control. Step 1, we make it simple to capture contacts. With our FolkX extension, you can capture contacts very easily. Add any profiles from LinkedIn and SalesNav in one click. You can even add an entire list from a targeted search. It also works on Twitter, Gmail, Instagram, and anywhere else on the web. You have other options to add contacts to. If you're migrating from another tool, import your files. Or import contacts with our Zapier and Make integrations. You can, for instance, import leads generated from your website form or when they book a meeting with you. There are 6,000 plus integrations to choose from. Step 2, we do the sales research to help you qualify your leads. Use our one-click data enrichment to find emails on your prospects. We are connected to 6 providers to have the best possible coverage. Our smart fields save you time on research, like strongest connection and last interaction, to identify who in the team is the best to engage with a lead. Magic fields, or AI-powered fields, help you find information like company industry, company size, and other missing data. Create your own custom fields to track relevant data like the associated deals, the lead status, priority, or owner. Step 3, send ultra-personalized emails at scale from Folk. You can choose to send targeted emails from a group by applying a filter and creating a curated list. For example, filtering by status. Use a save template like this sale follow-up. Personalize the template with variables such as first name, company name, and magic fields for personalized and AI-generated content. Add additional steps to create an email sequence and automate your follow-ups. Review all the emails individually before sending them. Once you hit send, you can immediately see an overview of what you sent, with analytics to track your delivery rates,
open rates, and reply rates all in one place. Step 4. Sell as a team with custom pipelines and deal tracking. Easily move cards from one stage to another and stay on top of your deals with the total deal amount calculated for each stage. Keep track of your relationships with real-time interactions on the contact profile. Get the full context about a lead in-app by clicking on the interaction to access the content. You can also manually log interactions from your LinkedIn messages in one click with Folk extension. Add notes after your sales calls and tag your teammates to keep them in the loop. Create reminders to stay on top of all the next steps. We also have your back. AI follow-ups automatically suggest who to follow up with based on your past conversations. You can enable this feature on specific groups, only with people you've met, and select the right timing. We will suggest a smart answer with your tone of voice. Note that follow-ups and reminders will be centralized in the notification center. Last but not least, analyze your sales efforts. Build custom dashboards to measure your business health, understand your team's performance, and gain insights for your sales strategy. Let Folk do the busy work for you so you can focus on growing your service business. Sign up today and get a 14-day free trial. Link in the description.